There's this video rolling, third try. This is the battery. There's a certain type of battery. You can Google that or Amazon. Save your trouble and just go to Amazon and look that up. I used to use lead acid. This is not lead acid. This is lithium iron phosphate. Got some wiring here. It comes over this to the blinker module. That's the CAN bus. Now these wires, I'm beginning to put them in. They're just soldered. I've soldered them. I've put heat shrink tubing on the connections, and there's staples, plastic staples. So now I'm gonna glue these down with hot melt glue and remove those little nails. I'm gonna remove those little nails, of course, and glue them down instead. But this is it mocked up, and these have to be tacked down yet. These wires, I'm doing the bottom here. This is how I'm gonna use hot melt glue to glue those down at the staples, and then I can remove those little brads or nails.